just said, I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really, really appreciate it. I am highly caffeinated. I just had a fantastic lunch with a friend. And I came home to a pallet on my porch. Yes, a brand new pallet from Urban Decay. The Naked Urban Decay Robin Eisenberg palette. Look at that. Let me get you up close. See that shift? It's like glittery. And she's an artist and an illustrator. And she designed this palette packaging. And she designed this color story. Look how beautiful that is. And if you think it looks nice there, just imagine what magic swatches are going to look like. You don't have to imagine because they're here. Bam! Starts right here and goes all the way there. It is almost a perfect color story for me. And I've said that recently more than once. But look how beautiful and pigmented and iridescent these shimmers are. It's fantastic. And I'm going to get this off so I don't ruin my shirt. And we're going to do a look with this palette. Now, the question is, what kind of look? There's some great neutrals in here. So I'll start with a neutral. I might go purpley teal. I don't know. I'm going to be wearing an olive shirt later. So I'm probably going to stay right here. But I really love it over here. I'm going to have to do more than one look with this palette for sure. Because it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, baby. Gorgeous. I just love it. I love it so much. So let's get in here into Solar Storm. Right here. This nice neutral. Brownie, taupey kind of color. And it's very pigmented. I didn't go in very heavy with it. And it's blending out really nicely because I don't want to go ham with that because it's just a base color. It's just the base. And that's just a perfect, that is a perfect crease color. Perfect. Perfect, darling. It's perfect. Oh, I sounded like Eartha Kitt. Do you know who Eartha Kitt is? She was one of the cat women and a fantastic performer. And she was glamorous, darling. Glamorous. I'm Eartha Kitt. Perfect. It's perfect. That's more like Eartha Kitt. If you don't know her, Google her up on YouTube and see a video of her because she was very cool. She did Santa Baby, climbing in my chimney tonight. I've been an awfully good girl, Santa Baby. That was a terrible musical version of Santa Baby. Please forgive me. I'm an enthusiastic singer, if nothing else. And I was trying to do imitation of Eartha Kitt singing Santa Baby and failed. Okay, enough yik yak. Let's go in here and see what can be seen. Look at that gold. That gold was really beautiful. I'm going to have to use that. I'm going to go into, what is that? It says Foxfire. It's matte. Ooh, it's super pigmented. So pigmented. Oh, good. That's very pretty. I'm putting that also in the crease and blending it in. And I do have the hooded eyes. So, people with hooded eyes, you're not alone. There's a lot of us out here getting paid, getting rich with the hooded eyes. I'm not getting paid, getting rich. I have a modest YouTube channel, micro channel, with some fantastic people that follow me and watch me, and I really appreciate you guys so much. And if you did not know, I have not mentioned it so far, but please subscribe, because I'm getting close to 1,700 subscribers, and I'm going to have a huge giveaway, including some Pat McGrath. What? Yes, Pat McGrath. I know, I'm very generous. I'm very generous. Thank you so much for your support. I'm going to go into Exoplanet. I'm going to go in, it's a shimmer. It's not picking up really well with this fluffy brush. There we go. Now I'm getting the shimmer. I'm blending it into the crease also. And I'm going to do the same over here. It's super pretty. It's very monochromatic. It's all, these colors are all in the same family, which is pretty cool. It's actually warm, but it's nice. It's nice. I'm going to blend this out with a fluffy blending brush and soften this up. Dun, 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 dun. That was a little Here Comes the Bride, even though I am a married lady. I'm going to go in with this gold on the inner. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That gold is everything. And blend it into the lid with my finger. That's really pretty. I'm digging it. This is going on so easy. It's like butter. This will look great with an olive shirt. That is super pretty. And I'll have to do a look with the purples and the blues because it's stunning. So now we're going to put liner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have liner and mascara on, and it's such a pretty look. I'm really loving it. It's so warm and fall. It's very fall. And then I'm going to put on a very pretty lipstick to go with this. I'm going to go dark. I'm going to go with number 50, which is Voyager. I think it's Voyager. Voyager and Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, which is like 10 bucks, and it's like my favorite formula besides Jeffree Star. Oh, yeah. Yes. There we go. Took some finagling, but I got it to look good, finally. Thanks for your patience with that. I did edit some of that out because that was tedious. But I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. If you made it to the end of the video, please leave me your favorite emoji. I love you so much. Thanks for being here, and I will see you real soon. Bye.